In this guide, I will be showing you guys how to share draft reels to friends. Let's get started. First, launch your Instagram app, then click on the plus option given at the top left. Your gallery will open up. Click on the option draft. With that, you'll be directed to this page. Here you're going to find all of your draft videos. All you have to do is click on the draft video that you want to share. Now you are able to edit it. From here, you can make quick edits, add music, or leave it as it is. Once you are done, tap on the arrow icon at the top right and you'll see options to save, share to your feed, add to your story. Just click on share. Once you share this story, now you are able to show it to your friends. All you have to do is open the reel, click on the share option. Now select the friends to whom you want to share this reel and send it. That's it, your draft reel will be shared with your friends in just a few taps. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share and subscribe.